Today we are mixing the Black Manhattan. It's a simple twist on the regular Manhattan, but using a different nectar of the angels, an Amaro. When astronauts land on the moon, they mark their territory by stabbing a flag in the ground. When a medieval army storms a castle, takes over a region, they pull down the family banners and put up their own. And I, Sir Ricky Bobby, as the master of my own empire, must mark my own victory with a victory shot. Today's victory shot will come from the ancient city, St. Augustine, City Gate Spirits. We're gonna drink a spirited, spiced orange rum. When you can, help out local distilleries. There isn't much to say about the history of the Black Manhattan. It was first mixed in a San Francisco bar in 2005. Beyond that, it can't really be described in words. But when you taste it, believe me, you'll get it. It's like painting a Van Gogh on your tongue. And who knows, if you drink enough of them, you might actually see the swirling colors in your head. We're going to add a dash of orange bitters and aromatic bitters to a mixing glass. 2 ounces of a rye whiskey. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Rye whiskey, I believe, can bring about world peace. One ounce of Averna Amaro. But first, we have to take ourselves a shot. That is nectar of the angels. And a drink this special needs a Luxardo cherry. Not 1, but 2. And that's a Black Manhattan. Today's word of wisdom is relax. Everyone is in too much of a hurry. Some are flying down the road, weaving in and out of traffic, and others are running through Target as if they were in an urgent bathroom emergency. But most of them aren't. They just don't know how to slow down. Full colon or not. Don't be afraid to step out of yourself and realize just how stupid you are for just a few seconds. Trust me. Whatever you're rushing around for will be easier to handle if you just slow down and relax. When a medieval army storms a castle and takes over the region, they poured it. When a medieval army storms a castle and takes over a region, they poured. I know, why do I keep saying pour?